Hi everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video on cleaning brass. I've decided to take the plunge into reloading. So one of the first things I did was kind of do my research and about the best way to clean brass, and since that's sort of the first step, and I'm gonna start reloading 300 Blackout first because I own a 300 Blackout. And it's kind of, what I've heard anyways, is kind of a reloader's dream cartridge. And part of the beauty of it is that you can reload 300 Blackout from 223 cases. So I'm always sure to pick up as many 223 cases as I possibly can. And then also, in my research for cleaning brass, I've kind of found that I was given the advice that if you're starting out and you haven't wasted any money yet on your regular old-fashioned vibratory tumbler that uses dry media, whether it's corn, crushed up corn cob or crushed up whatever it is, walnut shells, it's sort of the standard way. But if you haven't wasted your money on that, you might as well just get into wet tumbling right off the bat. And so I kind of looked around, and there's quite a few expensive wet tumblers out there, but I decided to go with the Frankfort Arsenal Rotary tumbler that looks like this, and I have cleaned all of this brass with it, and it's actually, it uses the stainless steel media, wet tumbling, and the Frankfort Arsenal tumbler. It's a lot more reasonably priced than some of the other tumblers out there, like, what is it, Tumbler, whatever it is. That's, it's more sturdy and rugged, but it's also, 150 bucks more expensive as well. So we'll see what kind of lifespan we can get out of that. But it's a lot easier to use because you can just screw these on, and there's plenty of YouTube videos, so I won't go into too much detail, and I'll get around to posting a full review on this eventually. But the point of this video that I wanted to bring up is that there's two methods of cleaning brass, or the solutions that you use to clean the brass, that is. And the first way is just by using the Frankfort Arsenal brass cleaning solution. Comes in a 32-ounce bottle, and it's not too expensive, honestly. But then the second way, for those who are trying to save as much money as they possibly can, is the Dawn and Lemi Shine concoction. Basically what I did is I used both. When you get the tumbler, it comes with a packet of this solution. It's blue. It's kind of a blue, but a darker blue than like this Dawn is. And so anyways, this is the results of cleaning, and this is before depriming at all. When you read the instruction manual for the tumbler, it says that there is no need to use the stainless steel pin media when tumbling, when you still have the primer in. So because I still have the primer in all of these, you usually clean your brass twice anyways, so there's no point, and for me anyways, to deprime yet. So I just want to get this all cleaned up so that it won't dirty up or damage your dies at all. So just clean these all up nice, and I'm not sure how well this is going to come out on video, but if you look really closely, some of this brass does not match. Well, first of all, this is Blackout, but these big bags are all 223, and if it comes out on video at all, I don't know if it will, but one is not like the other. So if you can tell, Some of this I cleaned with the Dawn and Lemi Shine, and some of this I cleaned with the brass cleaning solution. And a lot of people are swearing by this Dawn and Lemi Shine solution, so I kind of just went ahead and got some of that. It's not like it's expensive or anything. Because I figured, you know, if everybody said it was good, that'd be the way to go, right? Well, after cleaning, I didn't even notice it at first, but then on closer inspection I realized, and I don't know if this is going to come out or not, but compare this bag of 223 and this bag of Blackout to these other 3 bags. And if you look really closely, in my opinion anyways, the Lemi Shine and Dawn cleaning solution did not turn out, that's what's in these 3 bags right here, did not turn out nearly as well as just using the brass cleaning solution that you're supposed to use. The solution, they just turned out, they looked more like new. They looked, you know, more shiny, more your gold brass color. Whereas these, I mean, they were definitely clean, but they just, I don't know, they not like tarnished or anything, but they just did not look, I mean, they look significantly not as good as with the cleaning solution. So I don't know if it's coming out on video or not, but this Blackout and this 223 are the cleaning solution. It looks almost, it looks more orangish a little bit than with the real cleaning solution. There's more of the gold, you know, the vibrant gold brass, and this is almost more of a orangish, not as vibrant clean. So depending on how clean you want to get your brass, everybody kind of does it their own way, and if it's good enough for you, you can totally go ahead and use the Lemi Shine and Dawn cleaning solution, and it's going to come out looking like this. But if you want to get your cases looking just as brand new as possible, you're gonna want to just go ahead and use the actual Frankfort Arsenal Brass cleaning solution, because I can see a noticeable difference between these two. So anyways, I just want to put that out there because I did not see a single video actually comparing the cleaning quality between the 2 solutions, and really it's just all good things about the Dawn and Lemi Shine, that, you know, yeah, it's good enough, and if you're looking for good enough, then go ahead and do that. But if you're looking for, you know, a better clean, more like new clean, you're just going to want to use the real brass cleaning solution. So anyways, hope I could help anybody out who was wondering, you know, because there's not a single YouTube video out there that I could find that actually shows the difference between the 2. So I hope I could help out anybody who was sort of confused or wondering, you know, what the difference, the final product might actually look like, the difference between the 2. So hope I could be helpful, and thank you for watching.